This is the 33FK. 33FK. All right, there's your show price, $38,995. There's your floor plan. This thing is 7,900 pounds empty, 11,462 fully loaded. It's loaded up. As you walk in, it's a front kitchen design. Awesome. So up here in the front, you've got your side-by-side Everchill 12-volt refrigerator, right? 3-burner stove, industry first. It's an air fryer. Look inside. Okay, air fryer. That's nice. Love that. Because we use our air fryer we've never used the oven ever in any of our RVs.
Not once.
But we use that air fryer twice a week.
Yeah.
So
yep.
I like that.
I do
Built
too,
in.
Yes.
Microwave. You do have a couple cabinets up top, left and right. There's a little shelf. And Lisa was also showing the single basin sink with the Eddie Bauer Gold. Okay. But underneath, cabinets, 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 cabinets. All right, so lots of space down there.
A lot of space there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next to that refrigerator I was telling you about, you also have your pantry here with the automatic light and solid as a rock. Love it. There's your cabinets there. All right, standard type dinette. All right, that collapses down to become a bed if you want to have it. There's no hidden storage, but it's all empty underneath.
Yeah.
So I put like a couple of bins down there, some nice looking bins, right? Not the crappy black and yellowish ones, but something a little more stylish, or some baskets or something.
Baskets would be nice, yeah.
All right, so then over here, you've got a sofa right here, which pulls out to be a bed, and then you've got theater chairs there. Now, in this one, which is personally where I would prefer the theater chairs, the TV's across. That's why I prefer the theater chairs, because we probably like to relax, okay? So up there's your TV, your sound system, and the fireplace, which again is on, thank the Lord. Okay? And yeah, so I don't know. I'd put the little love seat over there, and I'd put the chairs here. What do you think?
Well, I mean, space-wise, this would not, the sofa would not fit here.
You'd have to put a love seat.
Yeah.
You have to put a love seat there, and then you could put the theater chairs here with like a bigger insert in the middle.
Yeah, bigger insert or end tables. Yeah.
Yeah, because people watch TV, they prefer to recline, and the recliners are there. And again, this is what you're doing to watch the TV.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I'm just, let us know what y'all think, right? We're having a conversation with you. That's why we stream all this. There was cabinet above the sofa I was sitting on, and there's cabinet above here too.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the back.
We missed a pantry.
No, I didn't.
Oh, we didn't?
I already showed it.
Okay.
So this toilet is also really good. And left and right as well. So tall and fluffy approved. Nice under catamount sink. Not a ton of countertop space, but you can put some soap and maybe a cup out there for your toothbrushes and stuff. You do have a little bit of storage underneath. There's a medicine cabinet up top. And I can see from here down where I'm standing. If I get closer, I see less, but I can just back up a little bit and I can see my whole self. Okay, that's not bad. Where Lisa is to her left, there's some more cabinets here, as well as down below. A little cubby that you can decorate with some stuff in there. So plenty of place for linens in this particular model. You do have the corner shower. They seem to love their corner showers. This one is not bad. Okay, again, I would be fine in here. The bubble is in just the right position for me to move around enough to do what I have to do. Okay, so at my height, definitely pretty good. There's a little, I think I'll call that a footrest down there. And you have a couple small shelves up here.
How tall could you be up in that bubble?
6'7".
Okay.
Here's the one thing that I don't like about a lot of the corner showers, because it's sort of tight. They have very little storage space. So let's be honest. You got a bar of soap. You probably got about 2 or 3 different types of shampoos. Like Lisa, she's got a loofah and some. That's just not enough room. So like in our shower, we put like a little corner caddy, so we can put the extra stuff in the corner caddy. But when you're in a corner shower, yes, you could put a corner caddy, but again, at my height, now you're stuck.
And you can't bend over to get to anything.
No. Heaven forbid I drop the soap. I got to open the doors, get out, pick up the soap, and get back in. Anyway, look, it's life, guys. It's all right. How many times have y'all dropped the soap in the shower? I promise you, it's more than once. You got to back up. We got to do the RV shuffle. Now this has a separate entry and exit to the bedroom, which I love, so we can sneak out at night. Queen size. That looks to be a residential queen.
It does look residential, doesn't it?
Yep. And then storage underneath for Rover. Again, pistons would be great, guys. Some storage up above on top. Over here you do have a couple of cabinets. TV would go above. And then you have your closet to your right with like the home style shelf up on top. Love the mirrors. And then I'm assuming again this is your washer dryer, which it is. Nice. I love stackable washer and dryer.
I know. This is awesome.
Right?
Yeah.
I love that, guys. Eddie Bauer, you're doing that right.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. All right, let's move on.
Wow.